Ever accidentally erased a cherished photo on your iPhone and wished for a magic button to bring it back? Well, the good news is there's a way to recover those precious memories, and it's simpler than you might think. Firstly, breathe easy. Your iPhone has a built-in safety net for such scenarios. It's called the Recently Deleted Album. To access it, open the Photos app on your iPhone. At the bottom of the screen, tap on Albums, and then scroll down to find the recently deleted album. Tap on it and voila! Here lie all the photos that have been deleted in the last 30 days. To restore a photo, simply tap on it and then hit Recover, which you'll find at the bottom. Confirm by tapping Recover Photo, and just like that, your photo is back in your gallery, safe and sound. But what if you don't find your photo in the recently deleted album? Don't worry, we've got you covered. If you have iCloud photos enabled, your photos are automatically stored in iCloud, which can be a real lifesaver. Head over to iCloud.com and sign in with your Apple ID. Click on Photos, then Albums, and navigate to the recently deleted album. Here, you'll find photos deleted in the last 40 days. Select the photos you want to recover, click Recover, and they'll be restored to your iCloud Photos album. So, to recap, to recover a deleted photo on your iPhone, you can either head to the recently deleted album in your Photos app, or use iCloud if the photo isn't found in the album. Remember, technology is designed to make our lives easier, not harder. So next time you accidentally delete a photo, don't panic. Just follow these steps and your precious memories will be back in no time. Now, you can breathe a sigh of relief and go back to capturing those unforgettable moments.